Welcome to Math Puzzle Channel. I'm Mr. Charles. Today we're going to discuss a question modified from an International Math Olympiad competition. This video marks the start of a series that explores logic questions typically found in competitions for students grade 7 and above. If you'd like to review the basic techniques for solving this question, please check out our playlist on logic puzzles. Here is the question. On an island, some residents are liars who always lie. The remaining residents are truth lovers who only tell the truth. 3 residents, A, B and C, met this morning. A said, all of us are liars. B said, only one of us is a truth lover. C didn't say anything. What are the individual roles of A, B and C? Feel free to pause the video if you need some time to give this question a try. When you're ready, please resume the video. I will guide you through a step-by-step explanation of how to solve it. We can use the method we've covered in the previous video, assume someone is telling the truth or lying. First, let's assume that A is a truth lover who always tells the truth. Under this assumption, A's statement would be true. It follows that they are all liars. But this contradicts the assumption that A is a truth lover. Therefore, the assumption is invalid. A must be a liar. Since A's statement is false, it implies that not all of them are liars. This suggests there must be at least one truth lover among them. Given that A is a liar, it can also be inferred that either one or two of them are truth lovers. Next, let's assume that B is a liar. Then, B's statement, only one of us is a truth lover, would be false. Given that either one or two of them are truth lovers, it could be concluded that there are two truth lovers under this assumption. However, since A is confirmed to be a liar and B is assumed to be a liar, with C's role remaining unknown, it is impossible for there to be two truth lovers in this scenario. Therefore, the assumption that B is a liar is invalid. B must be a truth lover. It is known that B is a truth lover and made a true statement. It can be concluded the only truth lover among them is B. This means that C must be a liar. In summary, the roles of the 3 individuals are A. Liar. B. Truth lover. C. Liar. I will create more videos focusing on various mathematical problem-solving skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math content. See you later.